maybe wash instead. Tap goes on, water flows, rub the fingers, round they go. Soap up soap, bubbles grow, front and back and in between. Thumbs and nails, don't forget, rinse it off, now we're set. Shake, shake, dry so fast, clean hands ready at last. Wash, wash before we eat, clean, clean, hands so neat. Rub, rinse and dry, clean hands make a happy time. Wash, wash every day, keep the germs all away. Before you eat, what do? Wash our hands, me and you. After play or when we sneeze, after pets or touching trees, before we eat we always do wash our hands, it's what we do.